So I wanted to talk to y'all about the idea of what is the shift that happens that takes us from knowing that personal development is important to actually doing the work. Because I don't need to tell any of you that personal development matters. You're sitting in this room. In fact, even people who aren't sitting in this room would agree that it matters to grow themselves personally. Like it's the same thing as like working out every day. Who in this room knows that if they worked out every day, they'd feel better? Right. Who in this room knows that if they ate more fresh green vegetables, they'd feel better? Who in this room knows that if they practice gratitude every day, if they practice prayer, if they spent time on self-care, who knows for sure that it would change the quality of their lives? Now, who doesn't do it even though they know they should? Exactly. It's not that we don't know it's a good idea. You're not dumb. You know the power of growing as a person. The thing is, you haven't been motivated to do it, or you haven't been motivated to go all out. Here's what I know for sure about my life. Personal development, whether you're just dipping your toe in the water, whether you're all the way in, you're studying it every day, and now you're trying to lead others and teach them well, personal development is the magic bullet. It's the thing. You know, everyone's trying to like sell you the stuff that's gonna work. Here's Dumbo's magic feather. Here's a pill that you can take. Here's a potion that you can drink. Here's a thing and if you just do these 3 things, then you're finally gonna be the person that you wanna be. And I know for a fact that the answer is this thing. It's learning, it's growing, it's being willing to fail. And I know for a fact that that's true because I am standing on this stage as a result of not who I knew, of not how much money my family had, but how hard I was willing to work on myself to get this opportunity.